Customer concern today, we've got a Nissan Juke in. She's been having issues with her air conditioning. She got a new condenser a few years ago, and then later found out that the compressor had failed, but she just left it. So it's now caught up. It's no longer got any oil in it, and the compressor's starting to seize up, so it sounds like a tank. I'm just going to start it now and I'll let you see how bad it is. You can definitely hear that it's run like a tank, and that big squeak as well. So it's the good thing, she's caught it in time. It's not the clutch isn't seized off at the side of the road. So we're going to get a new compressor, condenser on it, and get this running back in good working order. No more squeaks, and nice and cold for the summer. There we go, that's how bad this is. That's hanging on for dear life, that. I would definitely say that's been a lucky escape. There you go, we'll get a new one on shortly, and that'll be us. Right, that is us done with the Juke. As you can hear the aircon coming on and off now. It's not running like a tank. And the tank noises were coming from this. So this was on its last legs. So that was definitely a near miss. That could have turned into a breakdown at the side of the road. So we've had put a new compressor on it, new auxiliary drive belt, because this has obviously been taking brunt of the tension as well. That was literally keeping this in place, and new condenser as well as per the warranty requirements. So that's it all recharged back to manufacturer spec, and it's also covered with their 2-year warranty now. So if you've got any noises, if your aircon system, give us a wee call before it turns expensive.